Today we are going to discuss another problem. That is 2013. The question is asked in the year 2013. The question number 10. A business is carried in three departments, namely P, Q, and R. There are three departments, P, Q, and R. The expenses not directly chargeable to any department are to be allocated in the portion of 1 by 2 to department P, 3 by 10 to department Q, and 1 by 5 department R. The three departments to proportionate quarter 1 by 2, 3 by 10 and 1 by 5 ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಏನ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು and those expenses ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ those expenses which are not directly allocated ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಲೋಕೇಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತವಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇವುಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಅಲೋಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ಸ್ prepare departmental trading and profit and loss account for the year ending 31st 12 31st 12 ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು here particular department P, department Q and department R, three departments P, Q and R. Stock on 1/1/2012 it is opening stock. Stock on 31st 2012 it is closing stock. Outside purchase during the year it means purchase. Outside purchase during the year means purchase. Outside sales during the year it means sales. Outside sales it is sales. Wages we have to debit to the trading account and salaries we have to debit to the profit and loss account. And interdepartmental sales P to Q 10,000, P to R 20,000 and Q to P 30,000. So respective account ge credit ಮಾಡಿ it means we have to treat it as a sales. So other respective opposite account ge ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ which is considered to be the purchase. ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ purchase ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ sales ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. Other particulars ಒಳಗ rent and taxes, postage, depreciation, printing and stationery, insurance. These expenses, rent and rates, postage, depreciation, written off, printing and stationery, and insurance. These expenses have to be allocated in the ratio of 1 by 2, 3 by 10, and 1 by 5. ಇವನ್ನ 1 by 2, 3 by 10, and 1 by 5 ಒಳಗ allocate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So bad debts they have allocated 1,500, 1,700, 1,800. So this is your problem. In the year 2013, they have asked this problem. So I will solve this one. ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. First we have to calculate the ratio. First we have to calculate the ratio. Take down calculation of ratio. Calculation of ratio. Calculation of ratio. Here 1 by 2 is to 3 by 10 is to 1 by 5. 1 by 10, sorry, 1 by 2, 3 by 10 and 1 by 5. It means LCM ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೀಗ 10. ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೀಗ 10. ಇದನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ 1 by 2 plus 3 by 10 and 1 by 5. LCM 10, 2 into 5 10, 10 into 1 10, 5 into 10. It means 5 into 1 5, 1 into 3 3, 2 into 1 2. Therefore the ratio will become 5:3:2. The ratio will become 5:3:2. So here first it is first one. Second one, calculation of allocation of expenses. Second one, allocation of expenses. Allocation of expenses. ಯಾವ allocation ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ the expenses which are not allocated. ಯಾವ allocate ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ? Rent and taxes, postage, depreciation written off, printing and stationery, and that one of insurance. First we start with the second one. In that a rent and rates, rent and taxes. So rent and taxes, 5:2 ratio. Ratio is 5:3:2. 5:3:2. P, Q, and R. The total rent and is 30,000 into 5/10. 30,000 into 2/10. 30,000 into 2/10. So that's also how much it is. $15,000, $10,000, $5,000.
Yes, sir.
15,000, 10,000,
Yes, sir.
and 5,000. Okay. 15,000, 10,000, and 5,000. Next one. B. Postage. Postage ratio is 5:3:2. 5:3:2. So P, Q, R. Total amount is 4,000 into 5/10, 2,000, 4,000 into 3/10. So become 1,200. Check it. 4,000 into 2/10, 800. Next, C. Depreciation. P, Q, R. That is 5,000 into 5/10, 2,500. 5,000 into 3/10, 1,500. Once again, 5,000 into 2/10, 1,000. Check it.
Sir,
Other
the rent and taxes Q 30,000 3/10 9,000. Sir.
okay, it is 9,000 and 6,000.
Rent and taxes.
Okay, 9,000 and 6,000.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. This one is correct. Postage
Yes, sir.
and depreciation.
Correct, sir.
Correct, sir.
Okay. This is D. Printing and stationery. Ratio 5:3:2. So printing and stationery, that is 20,000. 20,000 into 5 by 10, 20,000 into 3 by 10, 20,000 into 2 by 10, it is 10,000, 6,000 and 4,000. Check it whether it is correct or not.
Correct is.
Okay. Next one, E. Insurance, ratio 5:3:2, 5:3:2. E, Q, R. Total 2,000. 5 by 10, 3 by 10, and 2 by 10. Imagine 1,600 and 400. I think Barkan sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. ಯಾರ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ಶಾಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ಶಾಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು 3 ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಹಾಕೋದೇ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ 3 ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ, ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ 3 ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಹಾಕಕ್ಕ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಣಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. Departmental, trading and profit and loss account as on 31st/12/2012. 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 First one, opening stock. Opening stock. So 35,000, 25,000, and 15,000. Next, closing stock amount to purchase. Purchase 1 lakh. Next, 80,000 and 60,000. Next, my sales. My sales 2 lakh 60, 2 lakh 50, 1 lakh 70. So next, wages. Wages 50,000, 60,000 and 70,000. 50,000, 60,000 and 70,000. After that, we have to transfer interdepartmental transfer. Interdepartmental transfer. There are 3 transfers: P to Q. P in the Q. It means here selling company is P. That is 10,000. Next, P to R. P to R. We have 20,000. Next, Q to P. It means it is also, sorry, it is 30,000. Vice versa, here debit to interdepartmental transfer P to Q. It means here we have to debit for Q 10,000. P to R. P to R. We have to debit for 20,000 for R. And Q to P. Q to P, we have to debit 30,000. After that, we have to enter by closing stock. We have closing stock 25,000, 15,000, 25, 15 and 5,000. Total both sides are credit side 1,75,000. Check the total, whether these totals are correct or we have to make adjustment. Correct idana?
Sir,
Sir, 3,15,000.
3 lakh
P, sir, P.
15.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, Q correct?
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
R. 315. 2,95 and 1,75. How much is the gross profit? One lakh.
1 lakh sir.
T. T 1 lakh. Next Q.
1,20,000.
1,30,000. Next R.
20,000, sir. 1,20,000.
1,20,000 or only 20?
1,20,000, sir. ಅದು Q, sir. ಅಲ್ಲ sir.
In
Q 1,20,000. Yes, sir.
Okay. Over 1,30,000 or 1,20,000. Which one is correct? 1,20,000 is right answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Last one R.
10,000, sir.
Only 10,000.
Yes sir.
Okay. By gross profit. P 1 lakh. Q 1,20,000 and R 10. Next 2. Here we must have to debit the salaries. Salaries we have 18,000 already allocated, 20,000 and 16,000. After that, to rent and taxes. So we have allocated 15,000,
Yes sir.
9,000, 6,000.
6,000.
Is it right? Okay.
Yes sir.
Next, to postage. I take 2,000, 1,200, and
800.
800. 800. Okay. Next, depreciation. Depreciation value is 5,000.
2,000.
It is 2,500, 1,500, and 1,000. Okay? Right, Diana?
Yes sir.
Okay. Next, 2. Printing and stationery. Printing and stationery. 10,000, 6,000, 4,000.
Yes sir.
10,000, 6,000, and 4,000. Next, insurance. Insurance. That is 1,000, 600, 400.
Yes,
1,600, 400. Okay. Last one, bad debts. Bad debts they have already allocated 1,500, 1,700, and 1,800. Oh, total was sent. Be fast. Subject total ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದು R credit side total ಮಾಡಿ, sorry debit side total ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ 10,000 ಐತಿ, 16, 22 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇದು credit total ಮಾಡಿ. ಒಬ್ಬರನ್ನ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. It completed early. ಇದು R ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಐತಿ?
30,000, sir.
50.
30, sir.
Okay. Cost 40,000. Next Q. One lakh 20,000 you used to less money. 1,20,000 less market. 20,000, 9,000, 1,200, 1,500, 6,000, 600, 1,700.
80,000, sir.
80,000.
Yeah.
80,000.
Balance
80.
balance 80,000.
Yes, sir.
Balance 80,000 full pay. Next.
$50,000, sir.
50,000,
60,000.
sir.
Balance 500. This payment is 1 lakh. Screen carnival recorded. Net profit P 50,000, Q 80,000. Net loss are 40,000. Okay?
Yes.
Any doubts?